Good.
Hey guys, this is Victor with Litespeed Construction. I'm here with Jason. Jason, just want to see if you could tell us a little bit about your experience with us today.
Well, that's fantastic. Word of mouth, not an area that I really have a whole lot of experience with getting repairs from, and I never really had to have someone called out. I was looking for people who would have a fair price, be prompt, and have great service, and do a good job, and you all have done all that, and it's been a pleasure.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you giving us a call, and I know we had some issues here and there, but definitely appreciate you giving us a call and giving us a chance to get you taken care of.
Customer for life for me.
All right, awesome. I appreciate it.
No problem, buddy.